Library authorities can vary greatly from state to state, and Massachusetts is no exception. Who is responsible for what? In this video, we will share with you the responsibilities of the State Library of Massachusetts, as well as the other libraries, agencies, and systems that contribute to the business of libraries in the Commonwealth. The state government of Massachusetts has evolved over the years, and because of this history, there are many libraries, archives, and governmental bodies that make the structure of the state's library system confusing. The State Library is the oldest government library in Massachusetts, established by the General Court in 1826, and is located in the State House. As one of the agencies under the Executive Office of Administration and Finance, we support the research and information needs of the state government, libraries, and the general public by preserving state publications and providing specialized research assistance. The Massachusetts Archives is another governmental institution, but it differs in many ways from the State Library. It is a division under the Office of the Secretary of the Commonwealth, and its main objective is to preserve unpublished government records, historical manuscripts, and artifacts, rather than published materials, which the State Library is mandated by law to collect. Commissioned around 1836, the Archives also runs the Commonwealth Museum, both of which are located in Columbia Point in Dorchester. In other states, the State Library is often the central authority of all the libraries, but that is not the case in Massachusetts. The Massachusetts Board of Library Commissioners, originally founded in 1890 as the Free Public Library Commission, generally serves this purpose. The board, as it was renamed in 1952, promotes library services at free public libraries throughout the Commonwealth by administering funding and grants to individual libraries, supporting research sharing and technology, and providing library services to residents of the Commonwealth that have physical or visual handicaps. The board also funds the Massachusetts Library System, which was founded in 2010 to foster cooperation, communication, innovation, and sharing among its member libraries. It is important to note that public libraries in Massachusetts are overseen by their municipal governments and do not answer directly to either the board or the library system. While the State Library specializes in legislative research assistance, Massachusetts also has a system of trial court law libraries, located in 15 courthouses throughout the state. As part of the state's judicial branch, these libraries primarily serve the courts, attorneys, and the general public, and specialize in legal research and court procedures. It is important to note that there is no official trial court law library in Boston because the legislature wanted the State Library to serve as the free law library for Suffolk County. The State Library and the quasi-public Social Law Library in the John Adams Courthouse fulfill this role. Massachusetts is lucky to have so many libraries, and we hope this brief video answers your questions about who is who when it comes to the business of libraries in the Commonwealth. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the State Library via chat, by phone, or via email.